Okay, I just got back from Enduro, and these are the bags that I use, the soft cases, because hard cases like these, I won't be able to fit in my car. Okay, now these type of luggages are the usual. I mean, don't mind the wheels, this one doesn't, but they have versions that have wheels anyway. These are the hard luggages that we usually use, and I have these since 2019. Why I love them? Usually after a travel, this is what we have. You can't do anything with it. But these guys, right? These guys here, they are amazing. Why? Let me show you. First, pack them back like that. All right. They are extremely durable. Sorry, don't mind my feet. Extremely durable. Right? It may look complicated at first, but it's not. Trust me. All right. All you do is fold them like that. Tuck everything in. This one can be here, doesn't matter. It doesn't change the fact that it's easy to pack, but usually this was how it is. Sorry for that. Okay, like that, and then you just start rolling it. Doesn't matter. Just tuck all the straps in. And you know the back straps, these one you can inter-switch them, because they have these mechanisms that you can take it out and flip it the other side, and then you just roll it. Just roll the thing back like that, and then it comes with this little pouch that when you unfold your bag, this pouch is, you can fit your shoes, right? So you can roll it either side. You can roll it either side. You can start from here. You can start from there. It's up to you. But basically, it's just rolling it and then shoving it in like that, like that, and then you can chuck them aside until your next trip. Super duper easy, and it's just unbelievable. It saves so much space. If you're the type that when you travel, you go to the airport, you just grab yourself a trolley, and then you just put all your luggages on your trolleys. This is amazing. So initially I didn't know these things are so good until this round I used them. So extremely highly recommended. And for those with supercars, when you want to go for road trips, I tell you, even though Porsche owners tell me that their 911 frunk fits to carry on, I tell you, you can pack a lot more if you use soft cases. Okay, I'm very tempted to get one of these Thulers duffel. They call it Chasm or something, with wheels. Yeah, but those with wheels, I don't think you can pack them back like this. But like I said, if you are the type where when you travel, you just put everything on a trolley in the airport, and then you just roll your stuff to the check-in counter, then you just get it checked in, and then when you arrive at another airport, you just get another trolley, and then you get on your whatever Grab or Uber, then you're fine. Right? There we go. Yeah. Compare that. These two. This one holds more than this. 70 liter. This one 90 liter. Alright?